nandito na naman kami para kumustahin ko kayong lahat mga kaibigan.
Hello and welcome back to A Simple Life. If you're a returning viewer, thank you very much for your continued support. We really do appreciate it. If you're a new viewer, if this is your first time watching us, please remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications.
Okay, I'm going to cook the pasta with chicken sopas today, and the ingredients is onion, garlic, carrots, cabbage, and of course chicken. And this is the pasta, and also evaporated milk, and the nor chicken. Just put it the garlic and followed by onion, and after this I will put the chicken. After it's I will make it brown a little bit. Okay, so next is the chicken. There. Until it will become brown, the chicken. Okay, so now the chicken is brown. The next things to do is to put the cabbage and carrots. Put the stocks. And then I put now the evap milk. And while we are boiling this, we can now prepare this pasta. Sopas, malapit na maluto, kaya ilagay ko na itong pasta dito sa sopas. It's nice, oh. Seems delicious. My husband like this sopas also. He likes it very much. Can I taste? Wow, it's nice. Wow, it's nice. It tastes delicious. Okay, it's cooked now.
So here we have it. It's a hearty chicken and pasta Filipino sopas.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa panonood na aming video at maraming salamat sa suporta niyong ibinibigay sa amin.
Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.